Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer technology. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best TV soundbar. With Dolby Atmos available on the market, the ULTIMEA Sound Bars Nova S50. Let's explore why this sleek and powerful soundbar deserves the spotlight. The ULTIMEA Nova S50 is not just your average soundbar. With its Dolby Atmos technology and 3D surround sound system, it transforms your TV viewing experience into something truly immersive. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply streaming your favorite shows, this soundbar elevates every sound detail to new heights. Let's talk features. This soundbar comes equipped with Dolby Atmos, a cutting-edge audio technology that delivers a multidimensional sound experience, filling the room with captivating sound from all directions. Plus, with its 2.1-channel configuration and included subwoofer, you get powerful bass and crystal-clear audio reproduction. But wait, there's more. The ULTIMEA Nova S50 isn't just about impressive sound quality, it's also designed for seamless connectivity. With HDMI EARC input, you can enjoy high-resolution audio and video content without compromise. And with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, streaming your favorite music wirelessly is a breeze. Now, let's talk about design. The ULTIMEA Nova S50 features an ultra-slim and low-profile design, making it the perfect companion for any modern TV setup. Its sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to your entertainment center, while its compact size ensures it blends seamlessly into any living space. But don't just take our word for it. Customers have been raving about the ULTIMEA Nova S50. From its easy setup to its impressive sound quality, it's clear that this soundbar delivers on its promises. And with a solid 4.3-star rating on Amazon, it's no wonder why it's a fan favorite. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the ultimate TV soundbar with Dolby Atmos, look no further than the ULTIMEA Nova S50. With its cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and rave reviews, it's the perfect addition to any home entertainment setup. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. See you next time.